Nighttime skincare routine is all about repairing and soothing your skin, and a good night cream is focused on nourishing and recovering your skin. Also provides fresh-looking appearance in the mornings. So we came up with 5 best night creams that will recover the look of tired skin overnight. Let's check them out!
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Burt's Bees products are made of natural ingredients without any harsh chemicals. So if you are looking for a natural hydrating night cream for your precious skin, this night cream is a miracle for you. The Burt's Bees Intense Hydrating Night Cream is infused with clary sage that helps to increase the skin's capacity to preserve moisture. Its natural formula works together for radiant results on skin and provides intense hydration before bed to wake up with softer and youthful skin. This rich textured cream is non-greasy night cream, does not clog pores, and is tested by dermatologists. The Burt's Bees Intense Hydrating Night Cream has earned a good number of reviews and ratings from the users on Amazon. Let's check some reviews. According to the reviews, this highly recommended night cream intensely hydrates, and a little amount of cream goes a long way. Though some users complained with the thick texture and caused breakdown for some. It's time to rate this night cream. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 4 out of 5. It also reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $11, so our rating for its price goes 5 out of 5. If you have sensitive skin and looking for a hydrating night cream, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel will instantly quench your dry, sensitive skin. It keeps your skin smooth, supple, and hydrated all day long with its oil-free formula. The hydrochloric acid acts as a sponge for dry skin cells and can absorb 1,000 times its weight in water and strengthens the moisture barrier using glycerin and olive extract. Its gel formula helps the cream sink into skin quickly, and it's a multi-purpose cream for your skin. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel is having a non-comedogenic formula that is oil-free, dye-free, and fragrance-free. Neutrogena Hydro Boost has thousands of positive reviews on Amazon with good reviews and ratings. Let's check some reviews. According to the reviews, this hydrating cream works great on every type of skin, especially for the sensitive skin. It keeps your skin hydrated all night long, but some users faced burning on their skin. Now let's rate this product. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost is the 4th best-selling moisturizer on Amazon. And as its fragrance-free moisturizer, it is preferred by lots of users. Its users' acceptance rating is 5 out of 5. Our value rating for this product is 5 out of 5. You can get it at around $17, which is acceptable, so we rate it 5 out of 5. Our next preferred night cream is a fragrance-free drugstore product that is great for normal to combination skin. It's the Olay Regenerist Night Recovery Cream. It is formulated with brightening niacinamide, soothing vitamin E, and hydrating olive oil extract to revamp your skin texture overnight. It also contains advanced amino peptide complex that helps to restore skin surface by visibly improving the appearance of deep wrinkles. Its non-greasy formula absorbs quickly into 10 surface layers deep skin to regenerate surface skin cells. And it makes your skin smooth and moisturized within 2 weeks. The Olay Regenerist Night Recovery Cream is available on Amazon with thousands of positive reviews and ratings. Check some real reviews from the users. After going through the reviews, the night cream works great as a moisturizer all night. Users found it reliable and refreshing, and also they appreciate it as it's fragrance-free. But some users faced allergic reaction on their skin. It's time now to rate this night cream. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 5 out of 5. This night cream is packed with hydrating formula. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $23, so our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. If you are looking for a night cream that will fight with the appearance of wrinkle problems, the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Night will be a game changer for your skin. It is formulated with a unique combination of retinol, glucose complex, and hyaluronic acid that helps to prevent wrinkles by boosting collagen production and increases skin cell turnover. The hyaluronic acid holds 1,000 times its weight in water to increase the moisture in skin while diminishing the appearance of the lines. This night cream is especially being formulated to fade away the stubborn wrinkles and minimize the irritation of the skin overnight. And it provides younger-looking skin within 1 week. The Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Night is one of the most reviewed night creams on Amazon and earned thousands of reviews and ratings from the users. Let's check some reviews. According to the reviews, this Holy Grail night cream is highly recommended for wrinkles. It provides visible changes on skin from regular use. Some users faced rashes and breakout on their skin. It's time to rate this night cream. In terms of users' acceptance, we want to rate it 5 out of 5. It is proven to reduce the wrinkles. In terms of value, we rate it 5 out of 5. It's available at around $18, so our rating for its price is 5 out of 5. Our skin becomes tired due to everyday hassle, and no one wants to look dull or tired. This CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream is the right choice for individuals with dull skin. It is the budget-friendly yet effective night cream for providing perfect-looking skin. It is formulated with hyaluronic acid, also known as a powerhouse hydrator, that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. This night cream also contains niacinamide, peptide, and ceramide that helps to replenish and rehydrate the skin's barrier for extra moisture retention and recover the look of exhausted skin overnight. Its non-greasy texture helps to keep your skin moistured, hydrated, and nourished. And the patent MVE delivery technology provides 24 hours nourishment for a fresh-looking appearance. The CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream is one of the effective night cream for dull skin on our list, earned a huge number of reviews and ratings from its users. Let's check some reviews. According to the reviews from users, this affordable night cream is highly recommended as it keeps skin moistured and nourished without drying. Though some users from Amazon complained they received used or fake products, overall, it works great to keep skin fresh every morning. It's time to rate this night cream. According to users, this night cream is a game changer for every skin type. In terms of users' acceptance, our rating is 5 out of 5. This night cream is fragrance-free and non-irritating. Our rating for the value is 5 out of 5. It's available at around $14. Our rating for the price goes 5 out of 5. So these are our top pick night creams. We have selected all these products based on users' responses and recommendations. Outcomes and experiences may vary from one person to another.